Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad sweet, updated. Start by cooking pasta to firm tender, rinse with cold water to stop cooking, then toss with a sweeter dressing. Stir in fruit, a touch of sugar or honey, and a splash of reserved pineapple juice. Taste and adjust sweetness gradually. Chill thoroughly so flavors settle and the sweetness integrates with creamy texture for best results. In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad sweet, updated. Begin by choosing your sweetener. Honey, maple syrup, or pineapple juice are great choices that blend well. Mix sweetener into the dressing in small amounts, tasting as you go to avoid oversweetening. Combine dressing with pasta and sweet add-ins like candied nuts or dried fruit. Refrigerate to let the sweetness mellow and create a harmonious balance. In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad sweet, updated. Focus on texture by adding crunchy elements so the sweetness does not become cloying. Use small amounts of savory ingredients like feta or diced ham to offset sugar, and finish with a bright acid such as lemon or apple cider vinegar. Stir gently, chill, then taste again, because cold temperatures can suppress sweetness and may need a final adjustment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.